Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K. Rawat from Lexison Company. Today we want to talk about the difference between review and revision. So let's talk about review first. Review, it is the process of judicial re-examination of a case by the same court and by the same judge who has passed the judgment or order. Section 114 of CPC gives a substantial right of review in certain circumstances, and the procedure to be followed for review is laid down in order 47 of the code. The general rule is that once a judgment is signed and pronounced by the court ceases to have control over the matter. The court passing the judgment or order cannot later alter its pronouncement, but the power to review it is an exception to this general rule. An aggrieved party can file an application for review in the same court where the decree has been passed. So, in the common parlance, the word review means to reconsider, to look again, or to re-examine. This section enables the court to review its own judgment in case of any error or mistake made with regard to the decision rendered to rectify the same. Section 114 is substantive, and the procedure for which it is provided in Order 47. Review is not to be taken lightly. It is a very serious step. The power of review has to be taken with a great care and caution. I hope you're pretty much clear with the concept of review. Now let's talk about revision. Section 115 of the CPC 1908 empowers the High Court with revisional jurisdiction. The dictionary means of the word revision is to revise, to look again, to go through a matter, one carefully and correctly, and correct where necessary. Objects of revision are: the object of section 115 is to prevent subordinate court from acting arbitrarily, capriciously, and illegally or irregularly in the exercise of their jurisdiction. The power of High Court to see that the proceedings of the subordinate court are conducted in accordance with the law and within the bound of 19, the jurisdiction, and in the furtherance of justice. I hope you are pretty much clear with the difference of review and revision. If not, so then do let me know in the comment section regarding all your doubts and queries, so that I can take up all your queries and doubts in my next video. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.